Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bookings from Calendly into Memberstack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to your event types on the dashboard. Select the specific event type you wish to transfer. Click on the event to view its details. Locate the invitees section within the event settings. Export your invitees as a CSV file. This can usually be found in the export or download options. Ensure you save the file in a location you can easily access. Next, log into your Memberstack account. Go to the dashboard after logging in. Select the project where you want to transfer the bookings. Locate the Members or Users section in your Memberstack dashboard. Choose the option to import users or members. Upload the CSV file you exported from Calendly. Make sure to map the fields in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Memberstack. Review the mapped fields to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, start the import process. Wait for the upload to complete. Check the Members or Users section to confirm that the bookings have been successfully imported. If needed, set up any additional member settings or notifications in Memberstack. This concludes the transfer process from Calendly to Memberstack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.